This is Team Sorcerers, and the project that we have chosen for our Smart India Hackathon is Kochi Metro Induction System issued by Kochi Metro Rail Limited. So the basic crux of this problem, or the basic statement that we're solving, is basically the Kochi Metro Rail Limited currently has 25 trains, which are the total trains which are present. These need to be categorized on a nightly basis into 3 different categories, which are the trains which go into service, which are on standby, and which need to be sent into maintenance. This is a process that a manager does every day, and now we need to automate it so that it becomes much easier for them to improve their quality of work as well as to expand their project to a total number of 40 trains by 2027. This is the basic point of our project. Here, as you can see, this is the train ID, the status, the readiness score of each train, the branding priorities, as well as the different issues that they might face, that they are facing right now. Let's refresh the data. Here now, this is basically a mock data set that we are using. We haven't really categorized them yet. That is something that we haven't done right now, which I'll do it a while later. Basically, these are the different issues that the trains might have, as well as the branding priorities. Branding priorities refer to the number of hours that the train has to run in a specific week to fulfill that brand specific contract. This is the basic HTML code of our project. It's a pretty simple one. It's just the front end part. Next, I'll show you the requirements, which are the various libraries which we use as a part of our project. One second. Here you go. This is the requirements or the various libraries that we have used. This is the main decision engine that I'm going to open right now. Here is what the main Python code is, which helps us take a decision as to what category we are putting a train into. Here, this is the different code. We check fitness certificates, job cards, and all of the various requirements or the various data sets that we have collected and make a decision. This is the dashboard, which is basically the front end part, which has a lot of buttons. Hence, it is written in JavaScript. These are the various functionalities that we're using as part of our dashboard. Here is the button that we use to refresh our data, and the next one is for charting the data for all the train allocations, which shows us the readiness charts. This is what is a part of our dashboard mainly. The next one is basically a JavaScript code, which is only the basic JavaScript code for the functioning of the app. This is the main logic of our project. It is written in Python, obviously, because this is much easier to handle these types of data using the various libraries which are present in Python. This is the code that we have used. It is something that helps us make the decisions very easy and also much more simple. The train ID, status, and the others that I have mentioned already are present in this main Python code. The next thing that I'm going to show you is the mock dataset. Basically, the dataset has not been issued on the Smart India Hackathon website. Hence, we are using a mock dataset for now to make sure that our project works. We'll be able to, let's just run the code once so that we can see the different categories that the trains have been placed into. Here you go. Basically, out of the total trains, which are obviously 25, the ones that we're sending out into service are 17. The ones which have alerts are 13, which are the different alerts. Basically, some might have expired certificates, some might have open job cards, which means that we can't really send those trains into service then, which are the different alerts that we show. Here, the readiness scores of each train are depicted in this chart. Here, the status is also mentioned pretty clearly, as well as the issues as to why we can't send these trains into service or why they've been sent into standby. The branding priorities are also present here. The ones that are on standby are not yet mentioned because right now 17 trains have to be sent into service now. If there were more trains that were ready but not really ready to be sent into service, we could put them on standby. That's about it. Thank you.